Today's video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile app. The mobile app builder helps you create a native Android and iOS mobile application. Get the opportunity to grab 30% off by being the first 200 signups. Get the link in the description. Hello everyone! Welcome to the EducateWP YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show how you can install and set up a great and helpful image optimization plugin by Smush Pro. Smush gives the best possible compression/quality ratio for every image, regardless of its file size. With Smush, you can now override WordPress core functionality in the plugins settings to compress and remove original images. The Pro version allows you to bulk smush an unlimited number of images at a time, up to 32 MB per image, and the free version allows up to 50 images with one click with a maximum of 5 MB per image. They have a 7-day free trial which you can try out, and after that you can check out their monthly and yearly plan, and you opt for any plan according to your need. To get this plugin, I will leave the link in the description. Let's get started. Since I have already downloaded the plugin, I will show you how you can install and set up the plugin to your WordPress. First, go to WordPress dashboard. From there, go to the plugin option and click on Add New. On this page, click on the Upload plugin. And now to install the plugin. First, you have to choose the plugin file which we downloaded. So click on Choose File, and selecting the file, click on Install. It will take you to the plugin activation page. Simply click on Activate. After the activation, you will be able to see the plugin on the Install Plugin page. To configure the plugin, just click on the settings, and it will redirect you to the plugin dashboard. Here you can find all the features provided by plugin. I will go through all the features and explain to you what it does. The first option is Bulk Smush. Here you can trigger a quick scan and recheck the images for smushing. Just click on Recheck Images. The Bulk Smush feature allows you to apply all your enabled features to any uncompressed images with a single click. Bulk Smush is not available by default and needs to be enabled in the Network Admin Smush settings. Once it has been enabled, Bulk Smush will be available on the subsites. If you click on the Bulk Smush now, it will smush all the images which needed to be optimized. Here you can find the Bulk Smush settings. Let's go through it one by one. The first one is Image Sizes. The Image Sizes feature allows admins to choose which thumbnails they want to be compressed and which ones Smush should ignore. In order to serve scaled images, WordPress generates multiple copies in different sizes of every uploaded image. Some themes and plugins also require copies. These copies, called thumbnails, can add up quickly, so we recommend you compress all thumbnails. Click Custom to reveal a list of the thumbnail sizes that WordPress is creating on your site. Select the checkboxes for the images you want to be compressed, and leave those you don't want compressed unchecked. The image sizes you select will be compressed automatically upon upload if you have automatic compression enabled. The next option will be Automatic Compression. Click the slider to enable automatic compression, and Smush will compress every image copy WordPress generates as soon as it's created. Smush will only automatically compress the image sizes you selected in the Image Sizes setting above. Super-Smush is a well-designed multi-pass lossy compression that reduces file sizes significantly by stripping out as much data as possible without reducing image quality. Click the slider to enable multi-pass lossy compression. Below that you can see metadata. If you enable this option, it helps you to remove all the unnecessary data from your images, which will also decrease the load from the images. Next will be image resizing. Here, WordPress creates a scaled version of uploaded images over 2560 into 2560 pixel by default, and keeps your original uploaded images as a backup. If desired, you can choose a different resizing threshold or disable the scaled images altogether. To disable automatic resizing of images altogether, enable Disable Scaled Images. Scaled versions of images will not be generated, and only your original uploaded images will be kept. In uploaded images, by default, WordPress will only compress attachments generated when images are uploaded and not the uploaded images themselves. To compress your uploaded images, enable Compress Uploaded Images. To save a copy of your uploaded images, enable Backup Uploaded Images. If enabled, keep in mind that saving a copy of uploaded images can significantly increase the size of your Uploads folder. PNG to JPEG conversion is available only in the Pro version. You can click the slider to enable this feature, and Smush will convert PNG files to JPEGs, but only when doing so results in smaller file size. Now we will move into Directory Smush. Directory Smush finds uncompressed images stored outside the Uploads folder and allows users to compress those images if they wish. Click on Choose Directory, and from here you can select the uncompressed image folder. For example, let's say this is my folder which contains all the uncompressed images. Just select this folder by clicking on the checkbox, and then click on Choose Directory, and it will begin compression. Now let's go to the Lazy Load feature. Lazy loading retrieves only the data necessary to display what is actually being viewed at any given moment, and can have a dramatic impact on page speed. The heavier your site is with images, the greater the benefit. The feature settings allow you very specific control over what file types are lazy loaded, as well as when and where that occurs. To enable lazy loading, select Lazy Load in the Smush menu and click Activate. After the activation, it will take you to the next page with all the settings of lazy load. Here you can see media types and output location. In media type, you can choose which media types are lazy loaded and which are not by selecting or deselecting the file type checkboxes. And on output location, you can choose where lazy loading is applied by selecting or deselecting the out location checkboxes. On display animation, you can set a load screen animations, and also you can use a placeholder to display while images load. Use the uploader to upload your image. On including and excluding features, you can choose which post types use lazy loading and which ones don't by enabling or disabling the slider for each post type. Also disable lazy loading for individual URL by entering the URL into the field provided, one URL per line. The scripts required to support a page functionality are placed in the footer to facilitate faster page speed, but there may be times when you need scripts to load early. Choose whether scripts load in the header or footer by clicking the corresponding button. Click the Enable Native Lazy Loading toggle to enable support for native browser lazy loading. If you are using 𝗀𝗃𝗃's validation tool, you may experience errors due to no script on your pages. Click on the Disable NoScript toggle to avoid this issue. If you no longer want to use the lazy load feature, you can deactivate it at any point by clicking Deactivate. Our next pro feature of Smush will be CDN. A chief value of CDN is that they pre-position your content in servers around the world, thereby reducing the distance your content has to travel no matter where a visitor is located. The Smush CDN consists of 40 terabytes per second, servers located in 4 to 5 locations around the world. Closer servers mean faster speeds, and faster speeds mean better page rank. CDN also ensures that a larger number of users can visit your site at the same time without causing delays in content delivery. The local WebP feature in Smush Pro enables you to serve images from your media library in next-gen WebP format without relying on the Smush CDN. On the integration setting, click the slider to add Smush Stats to Gutenberg blocks. When enabled, a Smush Stats category is added to the page and post editors and appears in the Blocks tab of any post or page containing an image. Click any image on the page to see the sizes available for that image, allowing you to choose the smallest file that meets your needs on that page. The rest of the options need its integration on our WordPress. You can add that too. On the tool setting, you can enable image to resize detection. This is especially helpful to ensure that you are consistently delivering high-quality images in your galleries, and lowers the risk of you unknowingly serving blurry, undersized images. So that's all for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. If you like our content like this, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.